Hello friends, in this video you will learn about rotating an array program. Here is our task. Given an array of n size, the task is to rotate array by d elements, where d is less than or equal to n. Input output, I will explain at the example. Here is the example. Input. See, first one is the number of test cases. In every test case, we take the 3 lines. First line is the number of elements, second line is the details of those elements, and the third line is the d value. We need to rotate d times. See what is happening in this array. First, we need to move these two elements, d value is 2, to the back of the array. Then the resulted array will become like this: 3, 4, 5, 1, 2. To solve this task, we need to use logic. The logic is, one of the logic is, I am going to explain. See, moving one by one element in the array up to 2 times. See, take this one value in the temp, then move one by one. 2 to the 1 place, 3 to the 2 place, 4 to the 3 place, 5 to the 4 place. In the last position, take the temp value, that is 1. After completion of one time, then do it to one more time, because d value is 2. Then in this position 2 is there. Take the 2 value in the temp. Same way, 3 to the 2, 4 to the 3, 4, yes, and 5 to the 4, and 1 to the 5. In the last case, replace the 2 value. The resultant array will become like this: 3, 4, 5, 1, 2. See, get the code with that logic. Use the for loop, int I equal to 0, I less than n. Sorry, we need to move the elements 2 times. Nothing but I less than d, I plus plus. Then after, take the j value to travel in the array, and temp equal to a of 0. Use the while loop, j less than n minus 1, a of j equal to a of j plus 1. We are replacing the current value with the next value. Same way, increment the j value to complete the array. Completed. Then after, take the a of j equal to temp. Now one rotation is completed. The resulted array of these elements is 2, 3, 4, 5, 1. Now one more time, because I value is 1. 1 less than 2 is true. Then this is repeated one more time. Then the resulted array will become 3, 4, 5, 1, 2. To print the element with this for loop. For loop, int I equal to 0, I less than n, I plus plus. See out a of I. See, our code is right or not by compile test. See, in this is the expected output. This is our output. Then submit. Yes, it is correct answer. With the execution time 0.01. Happy to see you. Thanks for watching.